Welcome to our channel. If you're receiving SMS notifications from the FAFSA portal and want to disable SMS forwarding or text message alerts, follow these instructions to manage your notification preferences. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to studentaid.gov, the official federal student aid website. Step 2. Log in to your FAFSA account using your FSA ID, username and password. Step 3. Once logged in, click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Navigate to Profile Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Look for Notification Preferences, Communication Preferences, or Contact Settings in the Settings menu. Step 6. Review the list of notification types and find options related to SMS or text messages. Step 7. Uncheck or toggle off the boxes next to SMS notifications that you want to disable, such as application reminders, deadline alerts, or status updates. Step 8. If there's an option specifically for SMS forwarding, make sure to disable that as well. Step 9. Save your changes by clicking the Save or Update Preferences button at the bottom of the page. Step 10. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your notification preferences have been updated. Step 11. Check your phone to ensure you no longer receive SMS messages from FAFSA. If you continue to receive texts, wait 24 hours for the changes to take effect or contact FAFSA support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.